MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
Feels big, drives small is a great way to summarize our time with Mitsubishi's reimagined 2022 Outlander. Sitting in the cabin, it feels incredibly spacious. And not only is it one of the few compact utes to even offer a third row, it comes standard. Plus, there's ultimate flexibility with 40-20-40 split folding for the rear seat backs. And the upgraded interior is quite hospitable, with nice leather and fit and finish that's on par with many luxury branded utilities. As for the driving, this much improved 4th Gen Outlander has us cruising through commutes with ease. From a comfort and technology standpoint, this Outlander really shines, especially considering its sub $40,000 price tag. Compared to some more sport-oriented compact utilities, it's not particularly nimble in the corners, and that's fine, it doesn't have to be. We're still pleased with what the chassis has to offer. We're averaging a great 29.4 miles per gallon over the 6,000 miles we've traveled in the first 4 months of our test. And while we would appreciate a little more grunt off the line, the 181 horsepower naturally aspirated 2.5-liter i4 has no problems keeping up with traffic, making the Outlander an excellent cruiser.